you how to edit the mobile view for your WordPress using Elementor. Okay, so you have here your website, a landing page too. This is my landing page. Okay, and I want to right now I want to edit the header. So if you can see right now the header is linked this join button. However, when I make it into a mobile view, you see it doesn't show the link. This shows the link below, please. And on mobile view it doesn't show. So how do I fix it? So what I do is you go to your WordPress, you go to header. This is to edit the header. So I click on my header, edit and with Elementor. If this is hidden, this is not. So if you were to edit this part, it shows the link, but you will have no way to access to the mobile view to change the header. How do you access this part? What you do is you click on this little icon here. This is responsive mode. Once you click on responsive mode, this bar will appear. This bar will show desktop, your tablet, and your mobile. So you just click on this, it will show the mobile view. So by doing that, you will see what you will see in the mobile. So by clicking on this, I'll be able to access to the header of this button link. So what I do is I just edit this and click update. So by doing this, I'm able to update this part. Just remember this part, this link. That's all, guys. So if you like this tip, please help me by liking my channel. Thank you.